These souls are trying to figure out. Nest is up there. One or two of them have gone out. Oh, there's Mum or Dad. Oh, another one away. Oh, young'uns. Go down the way. So I think there's been 5. There you go. I think it's Africa. They go to, oh, there might be 6. Because there's another one there. That's 1, 2, 4 still in, and I'm sure 2 went out. I'll just leave them to it. Because I'm going to end up Mum, Dad. So 6 successful chicks. Right, time to move.